Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I am going to be bringing you a flan cocho. For those that don't know what that is, it is flan, and cake mixed together, baked in one pan. It's typical in Latin America, in the Bahamas. Of course, a lot of Spanish people loves it. So guys, I haven't made one in since forever. You guys see my flan recipe, but I have never made one with the cake. It's like, wow. I can't remember. I think it's been over 15 years. But anyways, we're going to make one today, guys. We're going to make one today. Because also, I'm going to be making one for a friend. So right now, of course, we need to melt some sugar for the caramel. Because we're going to need caramel. For this one, I also spray my pan. Because this is going to have cake. It's going to have flan in it. So I'm going to melt my sugar. I'm going to put 6 eggs here for the flan. We're going to need 1 can of evaporated milk and 1 can of sweet condensed milk. But this one that I'm making is for here for the family. So you're going to need a box of cake. You're going to follow the instructions the way it says in the box. The only thing that I'm going to do is just change the oil for butter. Okay, and we're going to do that. And the flan, what I'm going to do, I'm going to be adding the pumpkin spice. When I get there, I'll bring you back. Right now, I want to do my caramel, and I don't want my sugar to burst, so I have to give it a full attention because you don't want your sugar to burn. In this one, I'm going to be adding some of this delicious liquor to the flan. This is you could use it, you could drink it like this. It's like Kahlua. It doesn't have alcohol, but I'm going to be baking this so you guys know what happened. The alcohol will evaporate and the flavor will stay. This is a cream liquor. It was a gift, so we're going to use that for the flan part. Okay, at the sugar, we're going to add a little bit, just a dash of water. Okay, that's it. Just a dash of water. Meanwhile, I do have my oven preheating, and I have a pan with water because you're going to be baking the flan cocho in your in a tray, which is called Maria bath. It's a tray full with water. So like that, it'll come out nice and delicious. So guys, let me finish this caramel and put it in there and put that to the side. Then I can concentrate on the rest. All right, guys, in here I have 5 eggs. I'm going to add my condensed milk. I will be adding my evaporated milk. I already shook it really good. I'm going to add, because my husband wanted to taste like a little bit of pumpkin. So I'm going to add some pumpkin spice to your taste. So like so. And I'm going to be mixing this by hand. I'm going to add my condensed milk. And my evaporated milk. You get in there really good. This is great for the holidays, guys. Oh yeah. And you could make the flan without pumpkin flavor and use a If you don't know how to bake a cake from scratch, you use the Bax pumpkin cake mix. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put that in there. I'm just going to make sure that you combine this really good. So I'm going to do that. It's going to take me a little bit of time because I have to scramble the eggs. I should have done that before, but and then we're going to move on to the next step. Well, guys, I have my mix ready and I have my cake mix ready. I don't know if my pan is going to be big enough to put both of them in one, because remember, it's cake and it's going to rise. But for this recipe, you really have to make sure that your oven is hot, or it will not work, okay? So let me make sure if my caramel pan is ready. So I have my caramel pan here, is ready. So we got a little bit left. I'm gonna put it in a separate pan and do a tiny little flan, because I need for this cake mix to fit. So here's my spatula. Don't worry, guys, that's the same sugar from the water from the sugar. So you're going to put your cake mix. Well, now, like I said, guys, I have not made it in over 15 years, so I don't know if I did it right. We'll know when it comes out of the oven, right? So let's put it on the oven. And remember, guys, I told you, you guys need a pan with water in your oven, like I have here already, preheated, 350 degrees. So we're going to put our, ooh, it's a little bit hard to do it like this. So move your carefully without you do not get burned, and put your pan in the water carefully that you don't get splashed, and just put it in the oven. Wish me luck, guys, and however it comes out, I'm gonna show it to you. Well, let me clean this mess. Let me put this in a little pan and put it to bake. Yeah, why not? All right, guys, I see you with the end results. Oh, and by the way, I forgot to mention, guys, this video is part of the open collaboration, Quick and Easy Meals. I got completely distracted thinking if I was gonna do it right. And this is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Debbie Bubbles, and myself, Deborah, Cabassa Home Living. Guys, and if you want to join us, just do one of your recipes. I mean, you don't have to be a cook. You can make a smoothie, a sandwich, you grilling, you buy out, anything. Just use the hashtag Quick and Easy Meals. Put all the hosts in your description box below, and we'll make sure you get to the playlist, guys. And check out the Grace Life DIY Home Decor Community tab for the calendar for the month. And all the collaborations in there. They are open collaborations. So you guys, you can join us on anything. Anything. All right, guys. Let me clean my mess here. Let me put this in another pan to bake. I am not going to put sugar on it. I'm just going to bake it just like so. So I'll see you in a little bit. Well, guys, the big flan, the choco flan is not ready, but the little ones are. I took one out of the mold. You guys see, I don't know if you guys see the steam, but it's still steaming. So, yeah, guys, this one is done. And I have two more here that are getting cold, and I'm going to demold them. The big one is in the oven. It actually came uneven because I put more batter on one side than another, but after this is done, I still have to, which I believe is done. Let's take a toothpick and check it. If you toothpick, oh, this is not a toothpick. Where are my toothpicks? I just had a box of toothpicks. What I did with them? Oh, my goodness. Oh, here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to check if the toothpick comes out clean. That means the cake is done, so the flan should be done. Then before I demold it, I have to put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours, and I will show you what it looks like. So guys, you're going to see the photo in the thumbnail. That's the thumbnail is going to be the end product. And let me see how the flan tastes first, even though it's warm. It tastes just like pumpkin flan. Oh my goodness, delicious. Mine is without the caramel. But like I said, you guys going to see the thumbnail, and that's going to be the end product. It doesn't matter how it comes out. If it doesn't come out right or it comes out right, you're still going to see the end product. All right, guys? So I'm going to leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Well, not yet. Let me not leave you guys. Yeah, let's take it. Let's check. Make sure it's done. Make sure it's done. The cake looks done. So let's see. Well, toothpick is clean. Let's check the other side over here on this side. Yep, toothpick is clean. So I'm going to take it out, and I'm going to show you without, let me turn off the oven. I don't want to forget that. Carefully, you guys don't get burned with the water. So this is what it looks like. And then I will show you what it looks like demolded, but I have to put it to cool down. 1 hour at room temperature and another hour in the refrigerator. So meanwhile, I'm going to leave it here for now. And guys, I will show you what my flan looks like when it's completely cold. All right. Well, guys, it's late. It's only been half an hour. It is late at night already. Getting ready for bed. But I will leave you the thumbnail and the end product. So guys, I'm going to leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye.